Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the ultimate solution for trading card enthusiasts. The Card Deck Storage Box. A sleek and durable option that can hold over 3,000 unsleeved cards, more than 1,800 single-sleeved cards, or nearly 1,500 double-sleeved cards, making it perfect for any collector's needs. This 4-row deck box stands out with its strong magnetic closure and unique display windows, allowing you to showcase your commander or avatar cards while keeping them secure and easily identifiable without even opening the box. Designed with card supports and colorful dividers, this storage box ensures your cards stay in pristine condition and organized, enhancing their collection value and making your gaming experience more efficient. Crafted from rugged PU leather with exquisite stitching, the exterior is both shockproof and luxurious, while the soft lining inside protects your cards from scratches. Whether you're into Magic, The Gathering, Pokémon, YuGiOh, or even sports cards, this versatile storage solution is compatible with a wide range of collectible card games. It's not just a storage box, it's a statement piece for any card aficionado, making it an ideal gift for kids and collectors alike. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome product reviews. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.